name's Hannah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my crazy good strawberry cobbler. So if you're wondering at this stage what a cobbler is, it's an American style dessert, kind of like a dough topped pudding, little like a biscuity dough, light and fluffy and airy, and it's done with little balls on top of the pudding, and when you bake it, when it comes out, it looks like a cobbled road. So we're going to be starting off with the topping today, and it's very easy peasy, nice pantry ingredients, and we're going to start off with our flour. Just going to put that into there, make sure it's nice and sifted so you don't have any lumps, and then we're going to have 2 tablespoons of caster sugar. I like to use caster sugar because it's a lot finer and it dissolves into the dough a lot easier with adding that nice little bit of sweetness. And then because we want it to be nice and puffy, we're going to be using a little bit of baking powder and then a nice little pinch of salt. And we're just going to mix that all together, get our dry ingredients nice and well combined. Make sure that your batter is nice and cold, because like a scone, we want to be able to not overwork the mixture, and we're looking for that breadcrumb texture. So here you go, get all of those guys in there. Using our fingertips to incorporate it. Adding a nice little bit of cream now. I like to use cream because it's so lush and adds a lovely mouthfeel. Now we're going to use our hands and get in there. Okay, so as you can see, it's come together really nicely now, and it's nice and soft, but we're not overworking it, so it doesn't have to be super smooth. And yeah, this is just going to go into the fridge now for 30 minutes, and we're going to be preparing our strawberry filling. The reason I've decided to make a strawberry cobbler is to celebrate these incredible flavor burst strawberries. So we've prepared all of our delicious strawberries, and we're going to be putting over 80 grams of caster sugar. And this kind of just brings out that natural sweetness. It just encourages them to be their best selves, I guess, in my opinion. Then we're going to be adding a nice little bit of vanilla paste, and we are going to be just tossing them all together. I'm going to be adding a little bit of lemon zest to this, just to kind of add a little bit of zestiness and zing, and adding a bit of the juice just to encourage the strawberries to get even more yummy. We simply just put this into your little baking dish. Okay, so we've got our nice chilled dough out of the fridge, and we're going to be rolling it out. Okay, so there you go, easy peasy rolling of the dough. So I like these lovely rustic edges. Just going to be nestling it in the middle there. Beautiful. Sprinkle over a nice little bit of brown sugar, just for crunch and yumminess. And then that goes into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. Ta-da! Okay, so our delicious flavor burst strawberry cobbler done, dusted, and I can't wait to dig in. Excited! It's so good. Strawberries, literally bursting in your mouth. The cream is just bringing everything together, and that cobbler is just crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Heaven.